Yeah,
Okay, so that was the reason, was it?
yeah. Because really, it's because in a way you should be working here.
Okay, or have the boat trimmed
Yeah,
to this seat.
yeah.
Yeah, right, okay.
Because it's to say you're past the halfway stage, aren't you, in the boat? Rob, where's the eyeball? Right, okay. I'll tell you what, you go back now. Go back to have a practice what you were doing earlier on your draw stroke.
Well, just lean over and
Yeah, but don't only work out this amount here, Rob. Only go this amount out the boat. Was it? How did that work with a smaller stroke?
better. It's still kind of turning to half forward rather than a
Yeah.
full pitch forward.
Right. Where would you? Right. On this, where would you use that draw stroke on the river?
I was trying to make an avoiding manoeuvre.
Yeah, avoidance. What else would you use it for?
Uh,
What do you do when you approach an eddy? When you get into when you go into eddy, do you put a draw stroke in? What do you do? Just about a bow rudder?
well, I'll probably do it if I went to do a video. I'd probably do a sweep stroke.
Yeah, I do a sweep stroke, but then I pour a draw stroke in to draw me in. Yeah, yeah. Okay. The other thing with that as well, it's the beginning of another stroke as well. So what would be a draw stroke be a beginning of in a kayak? No. High brace.
Okay, yeah.
So that's why I've introduced it. Right. Try now, knife and draw. Same principle as in a canoe, kayak. Yeah. I'm just wondering if they said you need to move up a little bit more to the centre.
Probably do. Eddie's job. Let's see if I just send this
Right. The mat's not helping.
well, that's helping, but I can't. You mean like stay there?
Yeah, that's. Or what Rich does, he puts his feet flat down in the middle like a kayak.
And he sits at the bottom.
Yeah. If that's hurting your knees, sit. Yeah. That's much better, isn't it, Dave? Going parallel.
Yeah, it does feel weird, but it's weird, like.
Yeah, it is weird, but if your knees are playing up, just try that for a bit. That's much better, isn't it? Again, in kayaking, I'm not sure, whether or not you would use a knife and draw.
Yeah.
The reason why I've introduced it is that it's to get that movement where it's twisting the wrist in a sense. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Picking the paddle up and moving.
yeah. But you can use it. Yeah. The other thing is as well, it's that movement when you do a low brace.
Yeah.
So you're going like that into the water, and then you're just moving it up like that. So it's getting used to that movement of going like that. So you're really just twisting the paddle around a bit. Getting used to twisting that paddle around. Yeah, yeah. Right. Have you got my eyeballs, Rob? Well, they've been encroaching on your space, haven't they, Rob? I mean, pushing you further and further down the canal. Right, if you come here, right, what I want you to do, first of all with your kneeling, alright, you're getting the movement there, but what may help you a bit, you're not kneeling, are you? Right, try it, kneeling in this position. See this position? See if this is my canoe, kneel in that way, and then what you are then is you're more over the water itself. So with that one, when you're going that way, put your two knees, kneel them in like this, see this position of mine? Put the two knees in, yeah, put that one in a bit, that will move over, like that, move a bit more, yeah, right, then, you're watching me, here, then go, all you've got to do is work this amount, like that, turn, like that, turn. But have your paddle, don't forget the coffee cup position, and have your paddle over the boat. So, Steve, if you come here, I just want to check your something. And Rob, on the return, switch your knees across to the other side. Try pushing your knees a bit more over. Yeah, and then try it that way. Okay. So just give your knees a bit of practice, that's all. Have you tried a knife and draw yet? Yeah. Yeah. So forward paddling. Yeah. We'll just go and paddle over there and let me have a look at it. Yeah. Just paddle in front of me and let me have a look. That's much better, Rob, isn't it? You've got better control. Right, come back here. Yeah. So keep working at get used to that movement. Don't forget the coffee cup movement, Rob. Right, Rob. Steve, you just come here, both of you. Just show you a new stroke. Okay, get yourself in view. Dave came up with an interesting point. I can't get myself started. Right? So, what you throw in is what we call a C stroke. So, here, it's really a draw stroke. Yeah, so it's here. Yeah, yeah. Try that. Both sides. Don't forget to do both sides. Did you? Did you get that, Rob? C stroke. To get yourself started, it's really like a draw stroke. So here. So start from here, pull it in at the front before you start your, do you do a J stroke, do you? What do you do, a J stroke or a goon stroke? Yeah, what, well no, not sorry, my fault. We're going a forward stroke, right? Yeah. Alright. No, just watch a second. No, just watch a second. To get the momentum going, right, watch the paddle. The paddle here starts here, like a C, coming down here, and then I turn it into a J. So you imagine here, yeah, and then correct it at the back with a pivot here. So start with a C at the front. Your stroke starts with a C. Yeah. But you come round in the C like this, Rob. Look this way, round,